Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching us from, you are highly welcome. If you're joining us for the first time, thank you so much. This is where we skill up on your skill. In today's video, we will be showing you how you can make long form videos using Grok. In our next video, I will show you how to start your creation on Grok and end it on Grok without needing Gemini to generate character consistency. Yes, you heard me right. You can use Grok to maintain character consistency throughout your video creation without needing Gemini. I know that I told you previously that you can use Gemini is the only one at the moment that can help you to maintain character consistency. Grok can also do that, but that will be our next topic in the next video. In this video, I want to show you as a mobile phone user how to create long form videos using Grok. Let's see how to create a smooth transition in your videos. Are you ready? Let's go. When you open your Grok app, this is usually how it looks. Okay, make sure yours is not on Ask but on Imagine. Okay, now this is what you need to do next. You see these three bars on the top left corner here. Tap on those three bars, come on here where you have your settings sign displays, tap on it, go down to Imagine. Make sure that this place that says automatically generate videos, this one, make sure you turn this off. Make sure you turn this off so that your images are not automatically changed into videos. When you finish, you go out, go back to Imagine, then click on this place to add your image that you want to transform into a video. I will assume you already have it from anywhere you got it from, and also the prompt you want to use on that image in your video generation. Okay, now tap and go to your photo library to add the image. Now that you have added your image, go on and paste your prompt, okay, and send it in. Wait for it to generate. Of course, we already know that Grok is very fast in video generation, so give it some time.
That means God's not done with you yet. You're breathing. That means God's not done with you yet.
Now that we have generated our first video, you go ahead and download it. Okay, after you have downloaded it, go out to that downloaded video. Now go to that video you downloaded and play it to the end. Play the video to the end. When it plays to the end, go ahead. Let me take it to the end. This is the last frame of the video. Now go ahead and take a screenshot of the last frame. This is the last frame. Of course, you may need to crop out the excess path. All right, crop out the excess path so that you have a better video generation from the next continuation. Now save it. Take it back to Grok. Take it back to Grok. Re-upload the image that you just screenshot and click on Make Video, click on Custom, and then paste your next prompt. Then I will paste my next prompt and send it in. Good. Again, don't forget that you can always regenerate. If you don't like what you have, don't just go with anything that Grok gave you. If it's not tallying with your intended outcome, go ahead and regenerate the video.
Why would God care about someone like me?
Now you have your second image. Now you have your second video. Go ahead and download it. And then go out again and save the last frame of the video. Now add the next last frame that you have screenshot. Click on Make Video, paste your prompt, and then send it in. And wait.
Why would God care about someone like me? Michael, I've been praying for you. Why would God care about someone like me? Michael, I've been praying for you.
Now, this is how you continue to do this until you finish one scene. By so doing, your videos do not jump into one, like from one to another without having a smooth transition. So go ahead and use Grok to make longer videos or longer scenes for whatever you are creating. I hope this helps.